Without the Corporation for Supportive Housing, CAMBA could not have completed or done pre-construction for the 605 units that we're involved with right now.
Corporation for Supportive Housing has been in existence for about 20 years now. We got our start in New York City. A group of advocates came together right after deinstitutionalization. A lot of people were living on the streets and in shelters. And so this notion of supportive housing, affordable housing with services, became a proven way to help people become stable, connect them to services, and really turn their lives around.
They understand supportive housing, they understand the population that we're dealing with, and they understand the issues and the complexities of putting a deal together.
I have no idea where I would be living if I wasn't here. CAMBA, they have like job training programs, security, classes. They help with mental health, with HIV, and things like that. So CAMBA rocks.
CSH has been working with CAMBA for a number of years. We've done loans on 3 projects. When I think of CAMBA, I also think of a group that can work with us from an innovative perspective.
CAMBA Gardens is probably the most exciting project that we've ever been engaged in. The building is going to have 209 units, and it will be a national model of how a not-for-profit developer can work with a hospital system.
We're excited about the next award because it's going to help us expand our footprint, both geographically and programmatically.
So when we go into a new market, we're not going in to look at it and say, we're going to do what CSH has done in New York or what CSH has done in Los Angeles. We're going in to look and say, what are the gaps? What are the critical missing pieces that the local capacity can't provide?
If you think about what are some of the challenges that CSH and the supportive housing industry face, one of them clearly is the Olmstead mandate. So the Supreme Court said that communities have an obligation to create opportunities within the community for people with special needs. In many cases, they say one of the ways you will do that is through the creation of supportive housing. So CSH clearly has an opportunity, a challenge, to help communities really meet the mandate of Olmstead and at the same time help communities really just think thoughtfully about how to create housing opportunities for everyone, and especially for those with the most significant needs. Our long-term vision is that when people think about community development, when people think about improving people's lives, when people think about really strengthening our communities, that they'll think about supportive housing being at the center of that.